Today, we're going to show you the top 12 innovations we're most excited about across Microsoft 365 and Surface.
Think of this as the holiday wish list to help you unlock productivity across your entire organization.
Let's start with the newest service in Microsoft 365, Project Cortex. As Satya just shared, Project Cortex brings together the power of the Microsoft Graph with AI, people, content, and apps into an interactive knowledge repository. It sounds complex, but we've made it incredibly simple to use. I'll show you. Here in this message, I see a reference to a code name that I'm not familiar with, but Project Cortex has recognized it as a known topic within my organization and proactively highlighted it for me. When I hover over it, I get a topic card. Clicking in brings me to an AI-generated knowledge network that pulls together experts on the topic as well as content like presentations, videos, and conversations, all curated for me in this pattern map. This is a great way to ramp up new team members or share knowledge across an organization. Here in my knowledge network, I notice a stream video from an expert in the field.
Hey folks, got your messages. I'm looking into the unit failure. We will have a...
Understandably, there's a lot of background noise when you're on site. However, Microsoft Stream's new voice enhancement feature uses AI to drop out that background noise so I can focus just on what's being said. Let's listen to the difference with this feature on.
Perfect's rolling out shortly, but in the meantime, we've come up with a workaround. It's basically a...
That's so much better. And you may have noticed I've been doing all of this on the brand new Surface Pro X, our thinnest 2-in-1 ever. It's always ready with my new Surface Slim Pen ready at my fingertips because it charges while docked right here in our new signature keyboard. So I can jump right into a brainstorm using the Whiteboard app and inking. Hello, Sonia. Looks like you're already in here.
Yep. I'm in the same whiteboard experience here on the Surface Hub 2S, which is perfect for team collaboration and also now mobile. Using the new templates in Whiteboard, we're able to easily organize our thoughts, assign tasks, and you can even thumbs up ideas that you agree with. But here, let me show you one of my favorite features. So here's an image of a floor plan. I'm going to select it, hit the ink grab tool, and using AI, it's going to convert this into digital ink. So I can come in and edit it as if I had drawn this directly into the whiteboard myself. Pretty cool, right? But we know teams are going remote, so we want to showcase a few AI-powered experiences that will help create more personal connections in meetings. So here you can see all of my teammates looking sharp on this 4K plus resolution screen. You know how oftentimes people look disconnected when you're in a video call because they're looking down at their screen as opposed to up at the camera? Well, this person's using the Surface Pro X, which supports new eye gaze technology. The AI corrects the direction of her gaze, so it's looking as though she's looking directly at me. Also, nice office background you got going over there. But we know not every conference room has a Surface Hub, yet. We have some teammates who are joining in a call in a conference room with a physical whiteboard. So we're not able to easily follow along with their notes. But fortunately, they're in a Teams room with a dedicated whiteboard camera. Using AI, the camera detects the edges of the whiteboard and zooms in. But the real magic is that it also detects him and makes him transparent. So when he walks in front to write something on the board, all of us online are able to see right through him to the content. All right, Melissa, what's next on our list?
Let's bring AI and voice into the mix with Outlook. Show me emails from Jordan with attachments. Using Microsoft Search with natural language, Outlook gives me just the emails from my colleague Jordan where he shared a PowerPoint attachment with me. This is such a more natural and easy way to search. I also like to use my phone to capture images of information I know I'll need later. So I'm going to use Image to Table in the new Office app to take a photo of this data set here. The Office AI will recognize it and analyze it and convert it into a real Excel table for me. I don't have to manually enter the data or format the cells. It's all done right here. And now that it's a real Excel table, I can easily continue to work with it or share it with my team. And this is so important because, as you know, we're collaborating with more teams than ever before around the globe. At Build, we announced a new collaboration platform called Fluid Framework. Fluid works by breaking down documents into component parts that can be collaborated on in real time across different applications. Fluid previews in just 4 weeks, so I'm super excited to show it to you in action today. Here we are in a Teams chat where you can see different folks from the group collaborating on a document together. Jump on in, Sonia.
Sure. So I'm here in Outlook. I was sent the same table in the body of an email. I'm able to see your edits coming in from Teams, and you should be able to see mine coming in from Outlook. I can also use this data to create a pie chart, and it'll all be connected on the back end, just like how it is here on this PowerPoint slide on my brand new Surface Laptop 3.
I love Fluid because I can continue to collaborate even while on the go. Here we see the same table on my mobile phone. Now notice there's some missing data here. I'm going to add that in. Now look at the PowerPoint and watch as it is instantly updated. Fluid is truly breaking down the barriers between applications. I know you're going to love it.
Whew, all right, that was a whirlwind tour of 12 AI and hardware experiences. But we have 2 more to show you for next year's wish list. A few weeks ago, we announced our vision for a new category of dual-screen devices. Surface Neo with 2 9-inch screens running Windows 10X, and Surface Duo with 2 5.6-inch screens running Android, both available holiday 2020.
We're so excited for you to start using these amazing innovations from Microsoft 365 and Surface.